All right. Okay. Hi, everyone. For those who don't remember me, I'm teacher Nadia. Okay. So today, you've done your science classes, you've done your BM, your maths. So today, I'm gonna do English with you. Okay. So I'm gonna do English with you. English year six. Okay. English for year six. Okay. Right. Let's see. Okay. So we go to this page first. Can you see this page? You see the page. Page 37. Okay, page 37. Okay, so what they've done here is they've given you words up here, okay, which you have to take the phrases and you have to match it to the correct pictures. Okay, that's what it says up here. Read and write the correct phrases. You need to take it and put it to the correct pictures. Okay, so we look at the phrases first. The first phrases the first phrase that is given is short ruler. Okay, short ruler. What is ruler? Ruler is baris. Short ruler. Ruler is baris. Which of these pictures here show you a ruler? Is it this? Is it this? It's this, right? So short ruler, you have to take this and you have to write it here. Okay, here is big house, which they've already given you. It's a picture of a house, and what word did they use to describe the house? They used the word big. So big house. They've already given you an example. The next word is red tomato. Red tomato. Which picture here shows you a red tomato? Is it this one? Is it this one? No, it's this one. This is a red tomato. Okay, next one. This is a long belt. What is a belt? Belt is something that you use to keep your pants up, right? This is not a belt. Is this a belt? No, this is a belt. This is a long belt. This one is a white rabbit. White rabbit. Which picture is a rabbit? Rabbit to Arnab, right? So which picture is a rabbit? This is a white rabbit. And this one is a small button. Small button. Button is something that you can find on your shirt, your dress, anything to keep it together, right? So small button. Which picture is a small button? Here. So you just take the phrases and you put it in the right pictures. Okay, so that is the first page. Okay, moving on to the next page. Okay, this is the next page, page 38. Okay, so in page 38, they've given you two phrases and one picture. So you need to tick the correct phrase. Okay, so they've written here, read and tick the correct phrases. So they've given you two phrases per picture. So you have to tick which is the correct one. Okay, so the first picture, what is that? What picture is that? It's a picture of a train. Okay, the two phrases that they've given you is a white car, a long train. Is this a car? No, it's a train. So you have to tick a long train, which I've already done for you in the first picture. That's an example. So the next one is, what picture is this? What does that look like to you? Okay, the two phrases that are given is two pink roses and three blue cups. Does this look like cups to you? Does this look like cups? No. So these are the two pink roses. Two. You know how to count, right? Your teacher taught you how to count, right? This is one, two. Two pink roses. Now this picture. Look at the picture. Okay, so the example that they've given you is a tall boy and old woman. A tall boy. Is this a picture of a boy? Does that look like a picture of a boy? No, it's an old woman. Any of you know any old women? You know, like Mrs. Gesu? Okay, an old woman. Just joking, she's right behind me. Okay, next picture. This is a ball. What have they written here? A round ball, a square mirror, right? Is this a picture of a mirror? What is a mirror? Mirror to cermin. This is not a mirror. This is a round ball. So you have to tick at a round ball. And then the last one, I'll leave it to you to try, okay? Alright, next page. Okay, this is page 39. This is page 39. They've given you more phrases and more pictures. So you have to take the right phrase and put it to the right picture. Okay, write the correct phrase for each picture. Okay, the first one has been given for you, right? It's an example. It's a picture of a basket of apples, right? 6 red apples. They've already given you. The apples are red in color. So 6 red apples. The other words that are given are big brown cow. Big brown cow. Which picture shows you a big brown cow? Is it this? Is it this? No, it's this. This is the big brown cow. This phrase is small black ant. Small black ant. Which picture here shows you a small black ant? Is it this? Is it this? No, it's this. An ant is somewhat, right? So small black ant. And then so on. They've given you other words. The other words is tall coconut tree. Right? Tall coconut tree. Which one of this looks like a tall coconut tree for you? Is it this? No, it's this. Tall coconut tree. And this one, the last one is pretty white rose. Pretty white rose. Which one of these pictures is a pretty white rose? Is it this? No, it's this, right? So you just need to take the right phrase and put it to the right picture. Okay. And one last page. Okay, one last page. These are about sentences and text. Sentences and text. So they've given you a sentence and they've given you pictures. You need to take the right sentence and match it to the right picture. Read and match the sentences with the correct pictures. Okay, the first sentence is Lisa has a pencil. Which one of these pictures? The one that is already matched, right? That's an example. So Lisa is holding a pencil in her hand. So Lisa has a pencil. The next one, the cat is black. Which one of these pictures shows you a black cat? Which one of the pictures show you a black cat? Is it this? No, it's this. Lisa, the cat is black. Okay, next one. A giraffe is tall. Which picture shows you a giraffe? Is it this? No, it's this. This is a giraffe. And a giraffe is very tall, right? So that's what they've said in the sentence. A giraffe is tall. Match it to here. Next one. An ant is small. An ant is small. Again, ant is somewhat, right? So ants are all small. Which picture here is an ant? Is it this? Is it this? No, it's this. So the ant is small. You have to match it to an ant is small. Last one. Lim has a book. Okay, there's only one picture left that's not matched to. So you should know what is the answer, right? Okay, so I want all of you to try this at home. Okay, try this at home. Do your work and then you show it to your teacher. Okay, alright. Thank you. Bye-bye.